Hello, my name is Natalie, welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit, Celtic Wolf guide from Diamond Dots. So this kit was purchased on Diamond Dots website during Thanksgiving sales event for $15. The original price was either $60 or $50, and to tell you the truth, it was the only reason why I purchased it. The low price. I can say that I did not like the design, but I liked it the least. But when I unboxed it, I fell in love with it. First of all, the variety of diamonds it came with. Second of all, the design itself. It is very special, not trivial. I hadn't seen anything like that before, and I think it looks gorgeous. But let's start with specifications of this kit. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 20.3 by 20.3 inches. Of course, the canvas is fabric based and the adhesive is a poured glue. This kit came with 38 colors of drills, and what's unique about this kit is that it came with the variety of different types of drills, not only with very high quality resin drills, because that's the difference between Diamond Dots drills and any other brand drills that I worked with. No matter how high quality they are, Diamond Dots drills are faceted the way that they sparkle regardless of the time of the day. Like, for example, look, this is amazing sparkle of Diamond Dots drills. Look at that. It's just fantastic. Just to let you know, I'm recording during the daylight. Now, that's how the acrylic drills glow, right? From Make Market. I'm not using any program, no Photoshop, because very often people ask me what I use for my kits to sparkle so much. Here, I'm just recording on my regular phone. Acrylic drills, you see, they don't really sparkle much, they glow a little bit. And Diamond Dots. You see the difference? That's because of the facets. So this kit also came with gold metallic drills. Here they are, along with crystal drills. To tell you the truth, the only sparklers that I saw from Diamond Dots were those ones, like transparent ones. They're really very nice. I haven't seen any other color until I unboxed this kit. Look at that. This kit came, as I mentioned before, with metallic drills. It came with pink crystals, with red crystals, with light blue crystals, with dark blue crystals, with yellow crystals with orange crystals, with green crystals, dark green crystals, with white ABs, and with white pearl drills. I'm not sure if you can see it. Here they are. To tell you the truth, I would define this very kit as luxurious. There are really very nice, good quality kits, but this one is very luxurious because of the types of drills it is coming with. Another one that Diamond Dots has, and I can define it as luxurious, is the keys. As far as I remember, it's not just my favorite design, but it also came with lots of different types of drills and looked gorgeous when completed. The way it turned out is magnificent, especially the detalization. It was really very easy to diamond paint this kit. It had both confetti and color blocking, and I diamond painted it in maybe 1 or 2 weeks only, and the result is fantastic. I also googled actually the name of the design, Celtic Wolf Guide, and I actually saw a lot of pictures that look absolutely the same, and this one looks stunning because the detalization is really very close to the original artwork. The only disadvantage that this very kit has is the size. The size is non-standard, and most likely I will have to custom frame this diamond painting kit, and it would be pretty expensive. I usually use Art2Frame, a website. It is an online store. Their prices are more or less decent, but still I would have to order 20.5 by 20.5 inches, because if I order 20.3 it would be way too expensive. But I really like how it turned out. I'm not going to sell it to anybody. I'm not going to give it to anybody. I mean, if I sell it, I will sell it for at least $300 because it looks just gorgeous. It looks very luxurious in my opinion. But to tell you the truth, I like it so much that I want to keep it for myself. Look at that. Isn't it crazy how it sparkles? Again, I mentioned it in my previous video. I will tell you again, that's how the resin drills differ from acrylic drills, the sparkle. Resin drills that you see on your screen, especially here in the background, they individually sparkle, right? As to acrylic drills, they mostly glow. Like you can see the overall glow of the drills, but you do not see the individual sparkle of the drills like in resin drills. It's a gorgeous wolf. I love it. And if you are guys contemplating on whether to purchase it or not, definitely do. You would enjoy diamond painting it. Technique-wise, everything was perfect. And from aesthetical point of view, it turns out to be gorgeous. I even was thinking of purchasing one more kit, the same design, but then I didn't want to pay for shipping. So this is all for today. Unfortunately, as I explained earlier, I won't be able to frame it right away because usually when I record post reviews, I frame it in the end of the video. With this one, I will have to wait. I will have to save some money. And you know, next year, I mentioned in my previous videos, will be really very hard for me financially. I'm not even sure if I can afford buying a frame, but sooner or later I will, and we will frame it. I will hang it on the wall instead of this one. Maybe this is a beaded cross stitch kit. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon.